Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to make this beautiful Christmas tree applique. So for making this I am going to use this 4-ply acrylic yarn in 3 colors, green, brown and red. So for making this I am going to use this 1.75 millimeter crochet hook. So this is a very easy project. So let's get started. First we are going to make a slip knot. Then we will chain 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will skip the first 4 chains and double crochet into the 5th chain here. So make a double crochet. Then so this chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So we have 2 double crochets here. Then we will work 1 double crochet in all the chains. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So we have 16 double crochets in this round. So for the next round we will chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then turn our work. We will work 1 double crochet in all the stitches. So 2, 3, 4. So like this we are going to repeat. So I have finished 16 double crochets here. Then we will turn our work, slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, then 3. Then we will chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and work 1 double crochet into the next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have 10 double crochets including the first chain 3. Then we will chain 3 and turn our work and work 9 double crochets. So here I have finished this round. So for the next round, turn our work, slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to chain 3, work 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then we will chain 3, turn our work 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then we will chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So we will hide this yarn tails with the tapestry needle. So here we have finished this top portion. Then we will make this trunk. For that we will join the brown yarn here in line with this side. So here we will insert our brown yarn. So pull through. Then we will chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then work 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, then 3. Then we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. Turn our work 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then we will chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Then we will hide this yarn tail. So our tree is now ready. Now we will make this red decoration part. For that I have threaded some red yarn. So I'm going to insert the thread from the back side in this right corner. Make the first one. Then pass the thread diagonally to the back. So I have made a cross. So like this we will make another one in the opposite direction. So pass the needle. Then make another cross. Pass it to the back. Pull the yarn. Then we are going to make another one through the center. Then through the other side. And pull the yarn. So we have made our first decor. Then we are going to the top to make the second one. We will do it in the same way. So we will make the first cross. So 1. Then the next one in the opposite direction. Second one, pull the yarn through the back. So 2. Then we will make one in the center. The third one in the center. And through the center. So we have made this second one. So like this we are going to make another one in this left side. So here we will make another one. So I have finished all 3. Then we are going to secure the yarn by making a knot. So we'll make a knot here. Then pass the yarn through a few stitches, but make sure it doesn't show in the front. Then we will cut off all the yarn tails. So here our Christmas tree applique is ready. So I hope you guys like this video tutorial. So hit the like button, leave a comment below, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.